And here she is now in place. Now up and running properly. There you go, look at her. There's the screen up and running. There she is, see, up and running. And look at this, if I get this right. You can't really see the mouse, hang on a sec. There you go, now you can see the mouse. I wonder if anybody recognises that. Can you see? And when you want it off, you go there. Yeah. I also have other stuff I have filming the screen. Anyway, I wonder if I can get. I should be able to get my website up. Hang on a minute. Google Chrome. Don't actually know why I'm filming my website up because it'll be on the website. Actually, I might not put this one on the website. This is kind of a boring one. Or maybe not. Okay, I have not got it up. Never mind. Yeah, never mind. I haven't got it up. I'm going to go around searching for it now. There it is, up and running. There's the computer. Look. I've got a control yoke. And I've also got pedals. And that all goes to that computer there. Also had now new fan controller fitted. Actually, there's the keyboard, it goes to it. You know. And my mousey.